Okay, good evening. Welcome to
MinuteMath115.
MinuteMath115. You don't usually get to do MinuteMath, do you?
No.
These are problems from the Mathematical Association of America's MinuteMath page, and they're really fun. They're from some junior high math contests. I forgot to check which one this one's from, but this one, even though I don't think we've really talked about it too much, I think you can figure this one out. You ready?
Yeah.
Mindy made 3 purchases for $1.98, $5.04, and $9.89. Okay? What was her total rounded to the nearest dollar? Now, do you know what rounded to the nearest dollar means?
Means what dollar is it nearest to.
That's right. Good job. Okay, do you think you can figure this one out?
Okay.
How would you want to think about a problem like this?
Well, we could write the purchases down and then add up these and then the cent. You could add up the dollars, then the cents.
Okay. Let's see. Why don't you write the numbers down and let's see if we notice anything. You know, you don't have to write the dollar signs if you don't want to. 989 and
198.
Okay, awesome. So we got 504, 989, and 198. What do you want to do now?
Well, we could add the dollars, then the cents.
Okay, that sounds like a great idea. How would you like to do it? So you want to do 5 plus 9 plus 1?
Okay.
What's that?
That's $15.
Okay. So when we add the dollars, we get $15.
And the cents.
Ooh, the cents. 4 cents plus 89 cents. What's that?
4 plus 89 is 93.
Okay, so we got to do 93 cents
Plus 98 cents.
plus 98 cents. What's 93 cents plus 98 cents?
Is it 191?
Ooh, very good. High five. 191. Okay, so now what's $15 plus $1.91?
That is $16.91.
And so what number is closest to $16.91? These are our choices,
$17.
A, B, C. Okay?
D.
D?
Yep.
Good job. Good job, sweetie. That was a good problem.
Yep.
So later on, when we learn about rounding a little bit, we'll learn a little bit easier way to do this problem, but adding them up is just fine. Good job, you got that problem right, and that's from a junior high math contest. Good job. Okay, good evening, welcome to part 2.
Number 115.
And now number 115, part 2. I thought it'd be fun for this problem to go with, we'll have both of you doing it. This is kind of a neat problem. And we're after these tough geometry problems that we've been doing, we're back to the beginning. And 93% of the kids get this right. Mindy made 3 purchases, one for $1.98, one for $5.04, and one for $9.89. What was her total rounded to the nearest dollar? What's your idea on how to do this problem?
Well, adding them might be a little bit complicated.
Adding them might be a little complicated.
Well, the $1 plus $5 plus $9 is just $15.
Well, you're adding them. You just said that was going to be complicated. Is there an
Well,
easier way to do this?
What if we round them first, then add?
Okay, what if we round first and then add? Let's see what happens.
So we get,
You need to write?
yeah, $1.98 is $2.
We get $2,
Plus $5.
$5,
Plus $10.
plus $10. And what does that equal?
That's $17.
$17. Okay. So that's a choice. Now, are you allowed to round first and then add? Does that always give you the same answer as adding than rounding?
Not always.
Not always. Give me an example. Write down an example where rounding first and then adding wouldn't work. Or it would give a different answer, I mean, if you added first and then rounded versus adding. Okay, good example. What do you get when you add 350 plus 350?
You get $7.
$7. What do you get when you round $7 to the nearest dollar?
$7.
Okay, what do you get when you round $3.50? So let's go over here. Back up one.
$4. So you get $8.
Okay, so if you round first and then add, you might get a different number. And this of course wouldn't be right. $7 is the right answer here. What's her total rounded to the nearest dollar? So what's different about $1.98 compared to $2?
Well, the differences are so small, and
504 and then 989.
the differences are like really small.
Okay, in this case, the differences are pretty small, so we can feel pretty safe
Yeah, but these differences are the same.
These differences are a lot bigger. So you always have to be a little careful. So you can have some confidence that this is right because the differences aren't very big. $1.98 is very, very close to $2, whereas $3.50 is still kind of far away. Okay? Also, sometimes you round it up, sometimes you round it down here. Whereas over here we were always rounding up, so that produced a higher answer. Okay?
Yeah.
So you do have to be careful. But anyway, good job for noticing that you could round these numbers.